Stop paying for premium video assets. Want to take your content to the next level? For free? I'm sharing the top 5 websites that offer high-quality assets without breaking the bank. Whether you're a video editor, content creator, or entrepreneur, these tools will transform your workflow. Save this now. You'll thank yourself later. 1. Storyloop offers powerful animated story templates that make your content look like it was made by a professional agency. 2. thecreativeherd.ca. This hidden gem is a goldmine for social media templates, overlays, and video assets. You'll find modern, trendy designs that fit any brand aesthetic. 3. Premium Beat. Looking for high-quality, royalty-free audio? Premium Beat has cinematic tracks, sound effects, and curated playlists to give your videos that emotional edge. 4. Acid Byte. For gritty transitions, 4K editing assets, video effects, and transitions usable in Premiere Pro. 5. Cinepacks.store. Cinepacks offers a mix of free and premium assets, from light leaks to VHS overlays. It's a must-have library for anyone editing in Premiere Pro, Final Cut, or DaVinci. Links are in the description, and don't forget to save video.